Kyle, do not drop me.
David, you're bad. Alright, roll him over.
Oh my God.
Roll him over.
I pinched my hand. What are you doing? That's pretty good. How are you doing that?
Well, I'm feeling like I'm gonna kill somebody.
Alright, roll him back.
Just rolling.
Roll him back. No, just set him down.
What?
I'm escaping.
Try to get out, David.
Nope, I'm escaping.
I'm gonna make a Majesto video.